Proper listing optimization directly impacts your product's visibility and sales on Amazon. In this video, you will learn how to analyze top competitors, find high converting keywords, and create SEO optimized listings using the Data Dive's niche compare tool. If you want to try Data Dive tools for yourself, use the link below in the description and use the code OrangeClick to get 20% off for the first month.
In today's hyper-competitive Amazon marketplace, simply having a great product isn't enough. To truly succeed, to rank higher, convert more shoppers into buyers, and build a sustainable brand, you must master the art of strategic keyword optimization. Your product listing is your storefront. The right keywords make it visible. The best keywords make it irresistible. Choosing the right words at every stage of your listing, from the title to bullets to back-end search term, isn't just important, it's everything. It's the difference between being buried on page 10 or dominating page 1. That's where powerful tools like Data Dive come in, transforming guesswork into science using advanced keyword research strategies, niche compare features, and AI-driven listing builders. Sellers can now create listings that are laser-targeted for maximum visibility, engagement, and sales conversion. Hi, my name is Nikki from OrangeClick, and in this guide, we deep dive into how to optimize a luxury silk sleep mask listing and how you can leverage Data Dive's technology to consistently win the Amazon game. For a private label brand idea for a luxury silk sleep mask, the brand name that we will choose could be Lunaville. A tagline could be Unveil Your Best Rest. The vibe is elegant, minimalist, and calming. The focus is on sleep quality, skincare, and luxury travel. Why is this a good niche right now? The reason is the growing sleep economy. Sleep products like masks, weighted blankets, supplements are exploding, about $555 billion industry by 2024. Another reason is beauty and wellness fusion. Consumers now buy products that promote both beauty, anti-aging, and wellness, which is better sleep. Another reason could be silk premiumization. Pure mulberry silk products are a status symbol. Think of silk pillowcases too. People show them off on socials. Another reason could be an eco and health-conscious buyers, targeting hypoallergenic, sustainable, and anti-aging products. These buzzwords dominate Amazon searches now, and it is also a perfect gifting item, a high-perceived value item. It could be used for gifts for her, luxury travel gifts, Mother's Day, wedding favors. Another benefit is that it's a small and lightweight, so there is low FBA fees. It is also a high-ticket product. It could be priced as high as $30, so you can have larger margins. Next is, it's not super saturated, given that you will put a strong branding, so there is room to stand out. Now, how to use Data Dive's niche compare to find killer keywords for your product listing. Step 1 is to find winning ASINs. Search on Amazon for terms like luxury silk sleep mask. Another term is hypoallergenic sleep mask and anti-aging sleep mask. Each of these hero keywords will help us find our top sellers or top competitors. To pick our top sellers or competitors, we pick them with the good review counts. So we will have to filter from highest to low review counts, but we will not be selecting those that has crazy high review counts. So we will be looking for the ones that are about 1,500 and below. For the keyword luxury silk sleep mask, here are the top 3 ASINs. As you can see, their ratings are 4.4 and above, and with reviews that is 1,500 and below. I make sure that they all look alike and are offering silk masks. Same with hypoallergenic sleep mask. Here are the top 3 ASINs. Alright, so they have the seller that is offering these products are coming from United States and China. So again, they have the rating of 4.4 and above and 1,500 and below review counts. And then these are the top 4 competitor ASINs for the anti-aging sleep mask hero keyword. All right, most of them, the sellers are coming from China and one is coming from United States. All right, make sure all products are like for like, almost the same design, and if possible, the color as well. No bundles and kits should be included in the selection of these top competitors, and same range of price points. When you export the ASINs, add these ASINs to the ASIN tray. So we have selected a total of 10 competitors from our 3 hero keywords. Then create a niche dive out of the selected ASINs by going to the Data Dive Chrome tool, click the tray here, and rename the niche dive. Create a new name if you want to, and in my case, I already created one called Luxury Silk Sleep Mask, since this is our niche product. Then it will start the dive session for those top 10 competitor ASINs. When you're done with that, you will have your master keyword list right now. So how to run the niche compare on Data Dive? When you plug in your competitor ASINs into Data Dive Niche Compare tool, you can do that by going to the niche tracking tool here on Data Dive, then click Dive again for the same selected ASINs. You can also set up an automatic dive which will run weekly and by the day you want it to run or monthly depending on the frequency you desire. In the master keyword list, you will see which competitor is a strong one or the weak one based on the keywords that they have on page 1 of results page. Don't forget to click the B button here to exclude all branded keywords from the master keyword list and further clean up the master keyword list before you start running your niche compare. What will niche compare do to our strategic keyword research? It will show you when you toggle compare here, then you'll see the data in which there are shared keywords like the multiple ASINs rank 4, like this eye mask silk. It will also show you unique keywords, the hidden gems nobody else exploits. So we can see here some keywords that has some competitors that are not ranking even in the top 10, which are orange and green. So those are the keyword gaps that we are looking into. And we can see this anti-aging sleep mask. Only 4 out of 10 competitor ASINs are ranking on top 10 and the rest are not even ranking within the top 30. So this is a unique keyword. And opportunity keywords are those high search volume, low competition keywords like this silk sleeping mask with 70% relevancy and 3,478 search volume. Only 3 ASINs out of the top 10 are ranking within the top 30. So this is an opportunity keyword for sure that is gathering high relevancy, high search volume, but low competition. A tip for focusing on keywords with this keyword strategy is to get high exact search volume, select the low competing product ratio, those keywords that only low products are competing, just like the opportunity keywords and the unique keywords that we saw a while ago, and relevant buyer intent. Don't just grab eye mask as your keyword. It is too broad. If you're selling luxury silk, then you want to select silk eye mask for sleeping or anti-aging silk mask. Those are long-tail keywords that are more specific and less competition for sure. Here are the keyword selection strategy for your listing. For the main keyword, you can definitely add in luxury silk sleep mask and pure mulberry silk eye mask. You can use this within your title and bullet points. For benefit keywords, use the hypoallergenic sleep mask and anti-aging eye mask. This can be used in the parts of bullet points and description. As for the use case keywords, travel sleep mask or gift for traveler or sleep mask for side sleepers are the best examples for this. And you can include this in your bullet points and A+ content for better optimization. And for emotional keywords, use the words wake up radiant, beauty sleep essential, and those emotional keywords you can add into your description and A+ storytelling. So these are the final optimization tips for the following parts of the product listing. For title, front load the highest search volume keywords, but still make it read like a human sentence, not keyword stuffed mess. For bullets, focus on each bullet on a major benefit. Like first, it could be pure mulberry silk comfort. Then second, it could be an hypoallergenic skin loving benefit. Third, it could be a feature of luxury travel essential. Fourth, it could be a beauty sleep enhancer. And fifth, it could be perfect gift for every occasion. As for back-end search terms, use alternate phrasings like eye mask silk, silk sleeping mask, sleep eye mask for wrinkles. No need to include commas, and fill all the back-end fields but don't repeat words already in the title. As a bonus move, after launching, keep tracking the keyword rankings weekly. If a keyword is moving up naturally, push some PPC spend on it to dominate it faster and be able to get your ranking higher. So, how to place the best keywords in each listing section using Data Dive AI Listing Builder. So, for the title strategy, because we have done our niche compare keyword research strategy a while ago, then it will now auto-populate here if you click the generate AI listing. And so for the title strategy, it should be keyword focus and it should be human readable. What Data Dive does is it ranks keyword by search volume, relevance, and buyer intent. It suggests the top priority keywords for your title. You have to understand that by going to the root usage and hits, the keywords mask, sleep, sleep mask, silk, eye mask gathers the most broad search volume. So focusing on spreading these keywords throughout the listing while also not duplicating keywords, just spreading different usage of these keywords in other phrases to optimize the listing with higher ranking juice. Use your number 1 and number 2 highest volume, highly relevant keywords early in the title. Then sprinkle secondary but still relevant keywords naturally in your bullet points. Keep it readable because Amazon cares about click-through rate and indexing. So the example product title could be Lunaville Luxury Silk Sleep Mask, Pure Mulberry Silk, Hypoallergenic, Anti-Aging Eye Mask for Beauty, Sleep, and Travel. The keywords used here are Luxury Silk Sleep Mask, Pure Mulberry Silk, Hypoallergenic, Anti-Aging Eye Mask, and Beauty, Sleep, and Travel. And then if you want to make a step further, up the ranking juice a notch for the title, you can add for women into the Lunaville Luxury Silk Sleep Mask for women to hit the exact match usage of this keyword. As you can see here, with a relevancy of 90%, that gathers out to 477,741 total ranking juice. When you add that up, you can see that the total ranking juice increased significantly. As for the bullet point strategy, it should be benefits plus mid-volume keywords. What Data Dive does is it groups medium priority and long-tail keywords. Again, on our part, assign one main benefit keyword to each bullet point. Layer supporting or descriptive keywords into each bullet naturally. Example bullets that will be generated by the AI Listing Builder is this one. Ultimate comfort. Experience restful nights with our sleeping mask designed specifically for women. Soft silk material ensures a gentle touch on your skin. Versatile use. Ideal for both sleep masks, men and women. The Nod Pod feature allows for adjustable comfort, making it the perfect silk eye mask for sleeping. Enhanced sleep quality. This is another very good feature. The sleep eye mask blocks out light effectively, promoting deeper sleep and relaxation during travel at home. Relaxation benefits. The weighted eye mask for sleeping women provides soothing pressure, helping to relieve tension and enhance your overall sleep experience. Perfect fit. Designed for everyone, our sleeping eye mask men for a snug fit, suitable eye mask for sleeping that cater to diverse preference and needs. Each bullet point is pulling a different keyword theme while selling the benefit at the same time. Remember to always tweak in the AI-generated content in order to maximize the keywords being used and to make it as human-sounding and cohesive as possible. For the product description strategy, you should present a story plus supporting keywords. What Data Dive does is it identifies longer-tail, emotional, and story-driven keywords. Lower competition but good for SEO depth. On our end, we have to tell the customer journey. Imagine sleeping into a peaceful slumber using supporting keywords naturally inside paragraphs. Mention materials, experience, and lifestyle moments. So the example, when you're doing the prompt here in the AI listing builder, you could include the supporting keywords such as luxury travel accessories, relaxation essentials, gentle on sensitive skin, reduced puffiness, soft breathable silk. For backend search term for hidden keywords, what DataDive does is it gives you recommended leftover keywords that weren't used heavily upfront. On your end, there should be no brand names, no commas, no repeating words already used in the title and bullets. Focus on misspellings, synonyms, and alternate phrasing. So for the backend keywords, sleep eye mask, which is a misspelling of sleep, and then other keywords like silk eye shade, nighttime face mask, anti-wrinkle sleeping mask, silk sleep blindfold. Those are still important keywords that could help you index in those unique keywords that will also bring you more click-through rate. Max out the character limit of this backend search term up to 250 bytes. So here is the full flow using DataDive AI Listing Builder. First is to import your competitor ASINs, then run your niche compare. Extract high, medium, and long-tail keywords. Send the keywords into the AI Listing Builder. Review the title, bullets, description, suggestions. Customize to sound like a real person but hit 90% of the keyword coverage. Manually polish, emotional storytelling, and callouts for premium branding. Here's another pro secret. The first 80 characters of your title are the most heavily weighted for mobile SEO. Bullet 1 should hit the biggest emotional functional benefit. Example could be the anti-aging benefit or the luxurious sleep. Use the top 3 keywords, 1 to 2 times maximum across title and bullet points. No keyword stuffing. At the end of the day, your product success on Amazon isn't just about what you're selling. It's about how you position it. By finding the best, most relevant high-converting keywords and placing them strategically throughout your listing, you unlock Amazon algorithm and your brand's full potential. But doing it manually, it's slow, risky, and almost impossible to perfect. That's why smart sellers are using DataDive. DataDive makes it easy to analyze competitor keywords in minutes, discover hidden opportunities most sellers miss, build fully optimized product listings with AI support, track keyword ranking movements post-launch for fast action, create laser-targeted, highly SEO-optimized listings that boost organic rankings and lower PPC costs. No more guessing, no more keyword stuffing, no more missed opportunities. With tools like DataDive, your product isn't just another listing. It becomes a powerful sales machine, ready to dominate its niche and scale to 6, 7, or even 8 figures. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you never miss high-impact strategies to grow your brand and beyond. Need the tool mentioned? All the resources, including DataDive, are linked in the description below. If you haven't tried DataDive yet, don't miss the opportunity to add this valuable Amazon seller tool for your business today. Maximize your savings by using our coupon code, that's Orange Klik, to get 20% off discount for monthly subscription plan. Want more? Check out our other Data Dive videos where we talk about getting the best PPC keywords and how to easily set up your PPC campaigns. Again, this is Nikki from Orange Klik. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
I hope after watching this video, you will understand how you can use DataDive's niche compare tool to optimize your Amazon products better. And if you want to try DataDive for yourself, sign up using the link below in the description and use the exclusive code OrangeClick to get 20% off. And hit the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoy the content we create. And if you have additional comments or questions or doubts, leave them in the comment section below. And now I would like to invite you to watch another video where you will learn how you can analyze the most important product metrics using DataDive tools.